Ziggy, do you, does something look wrong in this picture? I want you to take a guess. What looks wrong in this picture? The wall's right there. The wall's right there. You see it? You see it? What? What? The fucking... The goddamn walls! Fucking... Why am I outside? Oh my god, I am taking my character through the runner. Like, people are gonna think she's schizophrenic. They're gonna think she's schizophrenic. Bro, my character's not crazy, I promise